Go! Here's Duder with his new snowboard. Duder, come here. Come here. Say hi.
Hi.
Show him your new snowboard. Okay, go up there and go finish practicing.
Yeah! Just go.
Here I go.
Practicing.
Come here, Buck. Come and say hi.
You want to go, kid?
Say hi.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Playing.
Playing in the snow.
Yeah.
Here goes Duder. Watch out, Buck. Good job. I got it.
Now I'm going to have to try it the right way, so I don't have to go down the back.
Come here. Say hi.
Hi.
Go ahead.
Try it.
Go, Keeters.
Go, Casey. Go, Casey. Go, Casey. Go, Casey. Oh, go, Casey. Go, Casey. Hi, hi, hi. Oh.
Go ahead, Buck. Good job. You got it.